Today we are going to be making Dalgona Coffee, aka whipped coffee, aka Korean coffee. It's got a lot of names on social media and I'm sure you've seen it all over your feeds. So today I'm going to show you how quick and easy this drink is to make. So stay tuned because this caffeinated drink is going to knock your socks off. Dalgona Coffee started in South Korea, and then after this quarantine happened, it spread all over social media like wildfire. So I started making Dalgona Coffee on the weekends for my cheat day as a little sweet treat to kickstart my day. And I wanted to show you guys how quick and easy this drink is to make because it only takes 4 ingredients. That's right, just 4. So you're just gonna need a couple of things to get started. You're gonna need a large mixing bowl. You're gonna need some instant coffee, some almond milk, granulated sugar, and warm water. And then you're gonna need a whisk. I'm gonna use a hand whisk, or you can use an electric hand whisk. And then you're gonna need an ice cream scoop to scoop it out and put it on your milk drink at the end. All right, so to get started, we are gonna take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and pour it in, making sure that all the granular coffee pieces get poured in. Perfect. Awesome. And then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar and pour that in. Awesome. And then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of hot water and pour that into the mixing bowl. So I'll put those mixing bowls back there. All right, so now you're going to take your whisk and you're going to start mixing this together. Now, this process you really just want to nestle into, because if you're doing this by hand, you're just going to have to look at this as a good old arm workout, because this takes about 4 minutes to turn into a whip. So it's going to be a nice strenuous arm workout doing this manually. So if you have an electric mixer, I suggest bringing that out now. I'm I guess old school right now. I don't have an electric mixer, so I'm gonna be doing it all by hand. But it's okay, you need to get my arm workout in for the day. The other key ingredient that I almost forgot to mention is that you gotta do the mixing dance while you're mixing. It goes like this. That's the mixing dance. Cue the music. Do the mixing, 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 do the sprinkler, do the sprinkler. So you gotta keep mixing while you're doing the mixing dance. You can't dance and not mix. It's not gonna work. Okay, so now that we got our mixing dancing out of the way, as you're mixing this, you're gonna notice that it's changing colors. It's gone from this really dark black color to a lighter brown. And as it gets to the whipped point, it's gonna be a very light cream color. So you just wanna keep mixing this until you get that whipped thick consistency. Loosen up your arms. All right, going back in. I'm gonna be here forever. Man, I always love licking the spoon. So now you have your own Dalgona coffee or whipped coffee or Korean coffee, however you like to call it. But it didn't take any time at all. It just took a few minutes to mix these simple ingredients together, and we got an arm workout in, so it was a win-win. But now let's see if this passes the true test, which is the taste test. That tastes really good. And the key is to mix the Dalgona whip into the milk so that all that flavor just swirls around together and gives you a real good caffeination boost for any morning. So that's how easy it is, guys. I hope it inspired you to make your own Dalgona coffee. If you end up making your own, tag me on Instagram. My link is in the bio below at Southern Urban Life. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more healthy lifestyle videos for tips and tricks and also healthy recipes too, then subscribe to my channel because I'm posting new videos every Monday on balancing a healthy lifestyle. I'm just a Southern girl balancing her urban life. So I will see you guys next Monday for more tips and tricks. Bye, y'all.